How to delete your Crunchyroll account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Crunchyroll account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to delete your Crunchyroll account, first of all go to crunchyroll.com. make sure that you do not have any membership. So if you have premium membership, make sure to cancel it first. Once you've done that, what you want to do is in the address bar you can see crunchyroll.com. once you do that, inside crunchyroll.com just add in slash and then type in nuke. So you basically what you want to do is you have to go to crunchyroll.com/nuke and then just hit the enter button. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link here. It says why do you want to deactivate your account over here. So right away you can simply select any of the reasons, enter a reason as to why you want to deactivate or delete it, and now just make sure to enter your password. Click the deactivate or delete option and your Crunchyroll account will get successfully deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your Crunchyroll account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.